Y'all, it's your boy 345_P, man. Today is a crazy day, y'all. I'm selling my RT, y'all. I'm selling Knuckles, y'all. The owner is in Cookeville. He's on his way down here. He said he should be down here about 5-6 o'clock. I'm finna take it to the shop, get the speakers took out. I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to the car. Yeah, I made it to the house where I pick up the car at. Man, it's been real with you, man. I'm gonna get the last co-start of him before we sell it. Sound good, bro. Yeah. Let me get to y'all. We get to the speaker shop. Y'all, I ended up taking my speakers out by myself. Yeah, it was kind of easy. I ain't gonna lie. See, I took my speaker and amp out. My baby's finna be gone. I was finna take my car to the store, and I didn't know they was probably gonna charge me like $100 just to take some wires out and the speaker out. So good thing I got family members that know how to take like radio wires out and stuff. My dad, I FaceTime my dad. He was teaching me how to do it. That saved me like a couple $100 to get that up myself. But yeah, she about to be gone though. All the stuff, all the memories we had when I was a kid. We had this car for 11 years, y'all. It used to be my mom's, and she passed it down to me. Like it didn't look like none of this at first. Like it didn't have the wheels, the headlights, and the what else? That's Transformer emblem right there. I added all that stuff. The wheels, the lug nuts, the headlights. I got the taillights done too. And yeah, I got her cleaned up though for the next owner. He said he's like 44 minutes away. So we're gonna see when he get here. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, y'all. This is the last drive with the Knuckles, y'all. So you see what she do, y'all. Hold up. Gotta do something real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it, y'all. Let me get back to y'all. The new owner drive the car. I just let him. He just wanted to test drive, see how it feels and stuff, see everything's straight. We'll see what he can do. If it do. That's the lot right there. A long time ago. So y'all, he's finna buy y'all. Say goodbye to Knuckles. Man, that's crazy. This is his truck, y'all. He has an SRCG. His girlfriend's truck. My uncle came to support him. Let me get back to y'all. The car's gone, y'all. That's his new owner. Back in Cookeville. I'll see y'all later. Y'all, my baby gone. That's crazy. I'm with my uncle at the liquor store. This gonna be today's end of the video. And today's a crazy day. I can't believe I sold my car. We had it for like 11 years. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to us. 345_PMAC. Peace, y'all.